Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make almond milk at home. It is so easy, and to make this we need only two ingredients, that is almonds and water. So let's begin. You will also need a sieve, a nut milk bag, a blender, a bowl and a glass bottle or a jug. Take some good quality almonds. I am taking Californian almonds. Measure 1 cup. Soak the almonds in filtered water overnight or for at least 6 hours. This is how it looks like after 6 hours. The size of the almonds is going to increase. Using a sieve, drain the water and rinse with fresh filtered water. For easy blending, I have divided this in two. I have added 400 ml water in each half cup of almond. Now it's time to blend. I'm using my Nutribullet because this is a very powerful machine and I'm going to blend it only for 2 minutes. Depending on your machine, you might have to blend for a longer time. Now I'm going to take my nut milk bag and strain out the pulp for a smooth and silky milk. You can see how nicely the milk is coming out from the nut milk bag. This is how much I got from 1 cup of almond. Pour it in a glass bottle like this and enjoy your almond milk. 1 cup of almonds gave me around 750 ml of almond milk. As this almond milk does not have any preservatives, the shelf life is only 3 to 4 days. Make sure you refrigerate your almond milk once it has cooled down. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.